Aussietel TV.
Hello again, welcome back to the Aussietel My Account tutorials. Today we'll be finishing off the postcode prompter reporting tutorials. So let's jump in there. You will have already logged in to the platform, come across to services and clicked on services, and then we'd come down to postcode prompter and come through to the postcode prompter or dialer reporting platforms. So we've already looked at the graphing and reporting for the successful and unsuccessful calls. These first two sections. I'm just going to quickly jump into October to have the full details of data. Today we will be looking at the other summary and other information provided in the reporting platform, including the summary table, the monthly trends, keyboard statistics, the top 10 information, and CDRs. So we've looked at the successful and unsuccessful. Let's look at the summary table. Now this is effectively another way of looking at the total summary, if you like, of successful and unsuccessful calls for the month, and simply just placed in a table format. So by day, and then the answer point, termination, the no store postcode for the successful part, and then the unsuccessful three sections, giving you a subtotal and totals for every day of the month. Just another way of looking at the total statistics in the summary table. Next one across is the monthly trends. Some indicative graphing for the month based on a comparison of successful and unsuccessful calls together to give you a quick view relating them together. And again, if you hover over each of the graphs, you'll see the total calls, and it just gives you a month by month for the last 12 months information of a quick snap view of successful and unsuccessful calls together in a graphing format. And then we have some monthly trends as well, which again is by month, giving some information on the total of calls, successful and unsuccessful, and then other information such as average duration of the call and a standard deviation duration, if you like, which gives a more pinpoint, accurate information on the duration of the calls. So there are a couple of other sections. Then we come across to the keyboard statistics, which effectively is just the key press entries. So for this we give all of the postcodes that have been entered through the month and the total number of entries that postcode has had for the month. So it gives you a quick look at all of the postcodes entered for your postcode dialer and how many times they've been entered. Second last is the top 10 answer points and the top 10 postcodes to give a quick look at which stores are receiving the bulk of the volume and which postcodes also are receiving most of the traffic or are being entered the most in the keypad. So a quick look at top 10. We'll be adding other sections to that over time. And then the final part of the billing report is CDRs, or the call data, which we basically maintain every call, and we just leave this in a section of its own if you want to have all of the data for every detailed call that's gone through. It's just shown itemized, basically every call by date, time, phone number, and the caller ID if available, and the duration. So you also have information on every call that's gone through the system in an itemized format. So that's basically the rundown of the postcode dialer reporting platform. Quite a complex platform. If you need any further information, certainly let us know, and keep an eye out for the next Aussietel TV presentation. We look forward to chatting to you very soon. Take care.